Hello friends, welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud video tutorial. Today we will see how to modify the Cloudlet in the existing environment in AccuWeb.Cloud. First, log into your AccuWeb.Cloud dashboard. Select the environment on which you want to modify the Cloudlet. Here, we have selected the AccuWeb.Cloud as an example. Click on the Change Environment Topology icon to open the topology of the existing environment. Once you click on it, the topology window will be opened. If you have set up a load balancer in the environment and want to modify its Cloudlet, then select the load balancer and modify the Cloudlet of the reserved Cloudlet and scaling limit Cloudlet. If you have set up an application server such as Apache or Nginx and want to modify its Cloudlet, then select the application server and modify the Cloudlet of the reserved Cloudlet and scaling limit Cloudlet. If you have set up a cache server, database server, or NoSQL in the environment and want to modify the Cloudlet of one of them, select Database or NoSQL and modify the Cloudlet of the reserved Cloudlet and scaling limit Cloudlet. Similarly, if you have storage or VPS in the environment and you want to modify its Cloudlet, then select the storage or VPS and modify the Cloudlet of the reserved Cloudlet and scaling limit Cloudlet. Here, we are going to modify the application server's Cloudlet and see how much it will be charged. The platform has two types of Cloudlets, reserved and dynamic, which can be set up for every server in the environment via the vertical scaling per node topology wizard section. Reserved Cloudlets. These ones are reserved in advance and will be charged irrespective of your actual resource usage. Dynamic Cloudlets. These are added and removed automatically according to the amount of resources required by your application at a particular moment of time. That is, they're assigned when the load goes up and removed again as soon as it drops down. If you modify the reserved Cloudlets, you will see the changes in the estimated cost section in the From portion. If you modify the dynamic or scaling limit Cloudlets, you will see the changes in the estimated cost section in the To portion. Here, we are going to set reserved Cloudlet 4 from 1 and scaling limit Cloudlet 8 from 4. You can see the changes in the estimated cost section in the From and To portions. After then click on the Apply button to save the changes. Once you click on the Apply button, you will get one warning message: the following actions may negatively affect your application. Application server's nodes will be restarted to adjust the Cloudlet's number. Click on the Yes button to apply the changes and restart the node. By clicking on the Yes button, the process be started, and within a minute, the Cloudlet will be increased in the existing environment. To verify the Cloudlets of the application server, go to the environment and click on the Change Environment Topology icon. In the topology window, click on the application server. You can see that the reserved and scaling limit Cloudlet has been modified according to your requirements. That's all. Cloudlet consumption calculation. The number of used Cloudlets is calculated every hour like this. For RAM, we look at the highest RAM usage in that hour, peak value. For CPU, we calculate the average usage. The higher of these two values, not both combined, is considered as the actual environment consumption. This will be charged to your account based on the provider's pricing. You can find the details in the quotas and pricing information. For instance, if your average CPU usage is 2,400 MHz, equivalent to 6 Cloudlets, and your highest RAM usage is 1024 MB, equivalent to 8 Cloudlets, in 1 hour you'll be charged for 8 Cloudlets only, not for the combined total of 14 units. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to modify the Cloudlet in the existing environment in AccuWeb.Cloud. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWeb.Cloud. Thank you for watching.